Guys, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make a job in SolidWorks 2017 software for beginners. At first, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File and click New and click Part and click OK. Now go to right plane and sketch. Now go to ellipse and draw to origin. Select. Now give the dimension, this point and this point dimension 150 and this point and this point dimension 60. Okay, select. Now this point and this point connect. Okay, now this point vertical. Now go to trim and cut the hair and okay. Now go to feature and rebels. Okay. Now go to top plane and sketch. Now go to normal tool and draw the circle to origin and give the dimension 100 and select. Now go to isometric view and feature and extrude cut through all both. Okay. Now go to top plane and reference plane after 25. Okay, select. Now go to this plane and sketch this line by entities and use offset. This line offset of 5. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude. Reverse the next. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch and go to normal tool. Draw the slot to here. Select. Now give the dimension, this line and this line dimension 10. Okay, select. Now go to trim, cut the hair. Okay, Ctrl Z, again trim. Okay. Go to again Ctrl Z. This line count by entities. Okay, now go to trim, cut here and here and here and here. Okay. Now give the dimension, this line dimension 10. This line dimension 10. Select. Now this line vertical, these are dimension 5. Okay, select. Now this point control this point horizontal. Now they are under defined. Now check, Ctrl Z. Now this line control this line equal. Okay. Now go to feature, isometric view and feature and extrude up to next, up to reverse, up to next. Okay. This plane height Now go to circular pattern and select here. This is feature, this we need it. Okay. Now go to here. Now go to right plane and go to reference plane. After 110. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now draw the circle here 3. Okay, select. Now go to isometric view and normal tool. Give the dimension 27 and this circle dimension 30 and this circle dimension 65. Okay. Now go to isometric view and feature and extrude. Now here extrude, reverse, next. Okay. Now go again here, extrude from offset 5, reverse and give the value 7, reverse. Okay. Now this plane height, go to isometric view and use the shaded tools. Okay. Now go to shell, this face shell 1. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch and go to normal tool. Now draw the circle here and give the circle dimension 10. Okay. And this point dimension 25. Select. Now this point control this point vertical. Now go to isometric view and feature and extrude cut. Okay. Okay, isometric view. Now delete the shell. Okay. Now go to isometric view and circular pattern. This here axis use, this axis use, and here use extrude. We need 4. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now use the shell use 1. Okay. Now go to use materials, solid materials. Now use these materials. Okay. Make our job. Thank you all, everyone. Share and like. If have any ask, you can. Now you can here use a supporting as well as you can use a support, no problem. Now go to right plane and sketch and normal tool. Now draw the 3-point arc here and here. Here select. Okay. Now give the dimension 25. Okay, select. Now this count by entities, or you can here again this point and this point. Now this line count by entities, and here this point and this point. Select. Now go to here, this line control, this line control, this is this line control, this line, this line control, this is tangent. Okay, now go to isometric view and feature and extrude from mid plane 15. Okay, just undo merge. Okay, now go to front plane and mirror and bodies to mirrors, just select here. Okay, now make our job. Thank you all, everyone, share and like. If have any ask, you can write comment box.